when I came to UTS and met a wonderful bunch of people. They're all like-minded, had done the exact same things that I'd done when I was growing up, like tinkering, pulling stuff apart, trying to build things. And so I found a nice niche in the uni. There's a big community of people learning how to program, and once you find that community, you can ask questions and bounce ideas off one another.
I think when a lot of people talk about robotic, they think about all the manufacturing, big, huge, chunky robots in factories. What made me initially like to think that it was interesting was knowing that robots could be everywhere in medical fields, in aeronautical, in everything, sending it out to space. So I find that really fascinating and imagine all the potential that we can be doing with these robotic innovations.
As I finished high school, I was starting to get into my own little projects, programming Arduinos, making my own laser tag system, all sorts of bits and pieces like that. I got to uni and found a mechatronics course that let me build things with my hands and program, because we found that the hands-on experience you get from the robotics challenges and stuff, it really closes in all your theory work that you learn through uni, and then you get to put it into practice, which I was doing a lot of summer internships and things like that. So they pretty much, as soon as I was finished, offered me a role straight into a project.
Knowing what was available to me just kind of, springboarded me to engineering and the robotics side of things. Because I'm studying medical science and I've always been fascinated with the human body, I'm really interested in the robotics in the medical field, and it's so important. I think everyone should just be passionate about it. I think it's going to be the next big thing.
I went online and I started to look up what other people around the world were doing once they kind of moved on from Lego. And I was pretty young at the time, but I discovered that I needed to learn programming. So I went out to the local bookstore and I bought my first ever book on programming. And shortly after that, I wrote my first program, and my love for engineering just took off.